Role of project management consultant. Areas under project management consultants are forecasting and outlining the scope of the project, scheduling various activities in the project, resource planning, time estimating, quality control and quality assurance, cost estimation, managing risk and opportunities, modeling the project, documentation, profitability analysis, team management, customer interest and involvement. This particular picture depicts the PMC hierarchy. That is, the client hires the project management consultancy as well as designer or architect. The PMC might be a designer, architect, or particular expertise from an individual field. Then the project management consultancy hires a prime contractor, and prime contractor further divides or sublets them into subcontractor 1 and subcontractor 2. Role of project manager. The following are the various roles of project manager, that is resource management, develop and detect procedures and design for the best techniques and standards, verify the methods in execution stage according to the specification and standards, keeping a check on contractors regarding quality and training them with various advanced techniques on sites, performing project audits, developing, designing, and managing the project policies and procedures, managing the constraints and risk associated with the project, coordinating communication amongst all the team members in the project. Pre-tender role of project consultant. There are basically three roles, that is the role during pre-design stage, that depicts the consultant could determine the technical, financial, logistical, and artistic feasibility of the project during the planning stage itself. The consultant should thoroughly review everything that may impact the cost of the project prior to giving its reasonable estimate of cost. Then the second one is role during design development. The consultant will review and make development permit submissions. In some cases, the consultant may be responsible for tasks like interior design development, promotional presentations, civil design development, etc. And the third one is the role in preparing construction documents. The consultant is responsible for specification plans and drawings related to the project. It is extremely important that the drawings provide ample detail because they are used by the contractors for both calculating the cost in the work involved and to construct the work as designed. Next part is post-tender role of project consultant. The first role is consultant's role in protecting the interest of owner. It is very important that the consultant protects the interest of the owner, as the more complex project and greater risks are involved in the project. The consultant also has authority to give instruction to contractor to ensure proper performance of the contract and prevent the delays. Then the next part is role in incorporating change in the work. That is, when a change in the work is proposed or required, the consultant will provide the contractor with written description of the proposed change in the work. Then the next part is role in settling the dues. It is the consultant's responsibility to determine when the phases have been successfully completed by the contractor and thus when the contractor is entitled to the payment. Without the consultant certificate, the contractor cannot receive the payment and if he fails, then he is being charged with certain penalties. The next part is the role in final inspection of the work. The post-completion inspection must be comprehensive and include structural, mechanical, and electrical inspections. Once the consultant considers the work to be complete, he or she can issue the final certificate for payment for the contractor. And the last one is settling the disputes. When the dispute arises between contractor and the owner, which they are unable to resolve, then the consultant is brought in to resolve of conflict as an arbitrator. Responsibilities: quality control and quality assurance, completion of work in stipulated deadline, client-oriented planning of activities, project execution, managing design issues, resource management. Challenges. These are the challenges faced by the PMC on particular project. Design execution disputes, material delays, cost overrun and time overrun, poor quality delivered by contractor, lack of coordination between project manager and the contractor, improper execution of work, lack of awareness in site construction safety, lack of forecasting the risks, improper scheduling and planning, escalation, changes and defects in designs.